Hello everyone, if you are looking for breakfast foods to start your day full of energy, you have come to the right place. Today, we will explore the top 10 breakfast foods you should eat every day to stay healthy and energetic. Let's get started. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of soluble fiber, which helps you stay full for a long time and stabilizes blood sugar. In addition, oatmeal is also very good for the heart. Add nuts, fruits like blueberries or bananas to increase flavor and nutrition. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics that help aid digestion. It is also a great source of calcium. You can add fresh fruit, honey, or granola to turn yogurt into a delicious and nutritious breakfast. 3. Eggs. Eggs are high in quality protein and essential vitamins like B12 and choline, which help boost brain function. They can be prepared in a variety of ways: deep fried, smooth, or slow fried, all of which are delicious and can be combined with vegetables. 4. Avocado. Avocado is a source of heart-healthy unsaturated fats and is high in fiber, which helps you stay full longer. You can serve it on whole wheat bread or blend it into a smoothie for a nutritious breakfast. 5. Bananas. Bananas are a natural source of energy, rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Combine bananas with beans or add them to oatmeal and smoothies for an ideal morning choice. 6. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in calories but rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help boost brain health and reduce inflammation. Please add us to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein, which help keep you energized throughout the day. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, add oil to yogurt, or soak them in almond milk overnight to make pudding. 8. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread provides a mix of carbohydrates that digest slowly and provide steady energy all morning. Add nut butter, avocado, or blanch them for a nutritious breakfast. 9. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts like almonds and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants that are good for your heart and brain. You can eat them with oatmeal, yogurt, or as nut butter on whole wheat bread. 10. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense vegetable containing vitamins C and K, along with iron and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Add them to omelets, smoothies, or roll them in whole wheat bread for a nutritious breakfast. 11. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein and calcium, making it a great option to keep you full throughout the morning. Pair it with fruit or nuts for added flavor and nutrients. 12. Smoothies. Smoothies made from fruits, vegetables, and protein powders can provide a quick, nutrient-rich breakfast. Blend in leafy greens, chia seeds, or Greek yogurt for a healthy, satisfying meal on the go. 13. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free whole grain packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Use it as a base for a savory or sweet breakfast bowl by adding vegetables, eggs, or fruit. 14. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and complex carbs, making them an excellent option for sustained energy. Bake them ahead of time and serve with eggs or nut butter for a hearty breakfast. 15. Cottage cheese pancakes. For a protein-packed twist on a classic, make pancakes using cottage cheese. These are low in carbs but high in protein, keeping you satisfied for hours. Top them with fresh fruit or honey for added sweetness. These are the top 15 breakfast foods you should consider eating every day for a healthier, more energized start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more nutrition and health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.